Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the bootloader is unlocked and USB debugging is on. This gives your PC control. Connect to ADB and verify the device with a DB devices so you confirm visibility. Once done, reboot into recovery or fast boot with a DB reboot recovery or a DB reboot bootloader because you need low-level access. Make sure you have the matching stock image downloaded. Flashing the wrong build risks bricking. Keep your battery above 40%. You do not want power loss mid-flash. You now flash the stock firmware via fast boot, starting with boot and radio, then system and vendor. Device guides vary, so follow the exact command order to prevent mismatches. After flashing, perform a data wipe to remove Lineage OS user data and settings. This clears encryption keys that block stock boot. Reboot to system to test. If it fails, keep the bootloader unlocked while troubleshooting. Relock the bootloader later, because locking too early can prevent fixes. You finish by validating connectivity. Check cellular, Wi-Fi, Google Play, and sensors to confirm stock firmware integrity. Restore only verified backups to avoid reintroducing custom config files. That prevents recurring issues. If you hit a boot loop, immediately boot to fast boot and reflash the boot and system images, then clear cache and data. For stubborn failures, capture a DB logcat output to identify errors and use your manufacturer's unbrick tool. These logs explain why recovery steps failed and guide the fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.